Hi, hello everyone. My name is Kunal Doshi, and for the last 10 years, I've been into this teaching industry. Never thought that I'll be teaching someone, but life's coincidences and support from everyone, takes the direction. So, very first, thank you so much for the Teachers' Day wishes, everyone. And the reason I've come up with this video is to make an announcement that, on the completion of 10 years of my teaching, Teachers Day, and after a month, I have my daughter's birthday as well. So I just thought that I wanted to do something because I've got so much of love and respect from all the students over the past years. So I thought of doing something, and it's not something great I'm doing, but I just thought that why not release my entire SFM video? So this subject of SFM in CA final has made my life whatever respect, love, and my livelihood has been because of SFM, to be very honest. And I've got tremendous response from everyone. So I thought that last 2 3 years have not been great for every one of us. And so I wanted to do something, and I get a lot of queries with respect to extension of lectures or discounts and all. So I thought, why not make this entire course freely available on YouTube? So I gave a thought, and I was wondering whether I should do it or not. How would that be perceived, and what would happen to me because that's my bread and butter and all. But then I thought that it's okay. It's not a big deal as such, which I think. The thing is that my entire SFM fast track lectures, which is around 110 hours for new course and 130 hours for old course, that I'm releasing everything on YouTube. So in the couple of days, you'll find an entire playlist available on our YouTube where the entire program, where I've covered around 250, 300 sums in the class. It's a live recording of the class around the lockdown period. Just before things went bad, I had taken a batch, and in the live class, whatever I've taught and everything, that is what you will see in the session. So that entire recording is there. You will be able to cover all the concepts, practical sums, and everything. So yes, yeah, enjoy the lecture, and make the most of it. Share it with your friends and tell them that before they enroll for any program of SFM, they can once go through this, and if after that, if they need for anything additional, they can definitely go out for any other lectures. So already there are around 100 plus videos on my YouTube channel with regards to CA final, as well as some CFA lectures and all. So yes, you can probably log in to our website also, as well as on a YouTube channel, where you can subscribe and you can get access to this playlist absolutely free. You can watch it as many times as you want, but do share it with your friends who probably are in need and are unable to spend, or even probably who would want to understand my way of teaching, or just for your reference. So that's what the program is. It's recorded in Hindi because that's what I probably do it in the class. So you'll definitely get to learn a lot of things, and I've solved sums in my manner. Many of the sums are also from the old course, so you'll get a good hand of old and new course sums out there. And yes, the book that I'm referring in it is what the A2A book, which normally we sell on our website. So, I'm not selling it anymore. In fact, I'll just send you the details of the vendors who are selling this book. So you can order the book in case if you want, and you can deal with them directly. I'll send the details of few of the vendors that I know who sell my book. And so the video lectures are freely available on our channel. The books you want, you can order it from the details in the description below. And if you have any doubts or anything, you can throw on the comment section. One more thing, because it's a live session and in the class, I generally discuss a lot of geopolitical things, which I'm very much fond of. So you may find me discussing many of those things. So my comments and views there are personal. So in case if you don't agree with that, I'm really sorry. But that's what I do spontaneously in the class. So if I'm hurting any particular section, so I'm really sorry for it. But that's what happens in the class. So everything is quite spontaneous and natural out there. So that's the way I deal with. So enjoy the lecture. And one more thing, that for many of the students who are asking me that why you're not coming up with something new immediately, I just want to tell you that In the lockdown, unfortunately, I was stuck somewhere. So I was actually working 15, 16 hours a day on notes and books and everything. So I realized that I need to learn more. I need to study more, and I'm following some of my passion with respect to studies. So for the next 5 to 6 months, I'm sort of on a mode where I'm doing a lot of my own homework with respect to research and all. And I didn't want it to be in the cycle of continuously coming up with new stuff and uploading it and in that chain. So I thought till that time I come up with something new and something much more helpful for the students in terms of technology and everything that I'm working into. I thought, why not release what I have, and that will be helpful for everyone. So share it with your friends once again. Enjoy the lectures. Get the entire SFM. I think it's around 60, 70 plus videos of 2 hours, 3 hours on an average, and around 110 or 130 hours, as I said initially. Share it with your friends. Make the most of it. And yeah, what I only expect is that, whatever doubts you have or whatever things you have, you can put up in the comment section. I'll try to revert it as soon as I can. And all the best for your exams. And SFM is a subject which definitely is for exemption, and the number of varieties that I've covered, I think it will be sufficient for someone to do a first revision and all. And beyond that, if you have any queries or anything, you can put out there. Okay, once again, all the best, do great, and see you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.